What's up, SBM gang, besties, cousins, whatever you want to call it. Today I'm back with another tutorial, and it's no shade. Black Girl Magic Hair sent me this bust down, I don't even know what to call it, an ice cream sandwich, milkshake, strawberry swirl type colored wig. And I was like, okay, this is different. Let me slap this on my girl Zari, because she's not scared of color. Things to look out for this wig: the lace was not HD, it was transparent. The lace was a little bit thick cut. You know, it was a thick cut steak vibe. You know, we just keeping it 100. This hair was colored hair, so you know, I don't know, I think with colored hair it just makes the frontals thicker, so you do have to pluck a little bit more. But girl, even with me plucking, it still was thick. Like, I feel like this overall look was like a thick outcome. But what I will say is the hair felt nice. The color on this hair was very cute. It was a different, unique color combo, and I don't think you'll find this type of color combo everywhere. So if you know you want this specific look, definitely check out Black Girl Magic and their website. I will have all the hair deets in my description. I use my Boho Active and my lace tape to lay this wig down, and this is a short tutorial, so period. Before any adhesive goes on your skin, you want to make sure you apply skin protectant. That is very important. It acts as a deodorant, and it basically blocks your skin from sweating. Also, it protects your skin from irritation and all that other crazy stuff. No shade. Apply your glue thin. Some of y'all be gawking the glue on, it be too thick, and that's why it never clears dry. You want your glue to be spread even and thin. No shade, period. We did 2 pigtails for this look in 2 pieces. In the end, you'll see that my pieces, I kind of like twisted them up because I wanted them to look like sticks. But then I didn't like that, so I combed them out. And I'll put a video clip of how it looks combed out instead of like twixed up like that. So now all I'm doing is sectioning out my 2 front pieces, and I'm doing these pigtails. I'm hot combing, spraying, and making sure they're tight and not loosey-goosey. Honestly guys, this was not my favorite hairstyle. I felt like I could have did the baby hairs different. At first I was gonna do no baby hairs, but then it was like, you know, it was a little, the lace was on the thick side, so I was like, okay, hold on bitch, let me add some baby hairs. But I couldn't bring them as high as I needed them to because half the hair was in the ponytail. And then now I'm looking at it like, well, why I just ain't take the ponytail out and section out baby hairs and redo the ponytail? Pray for me. But people really liked this hairstyle still in the end. They liked the color. But I can say, honestly, this is one of my least favorite hairstyles that I've done. No shade. So at first we were going to do space buns, but the buns just weren't bunning. I think the messy buns only kind of look cute with like curly hair. Right here you can see that I actually combed out the front pieces because the stick look wasn't giving. The combed out look, repressed it out, it was way more cuter. Pretty much the full video, you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep liking, sharing, commenting. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. I will have all the hair deets in the description below. Shout out to y'all. Bye.